The only things I knew from manufacturing is stories that my dad told me, who works in the aviation industry, and he would come home and tell stories about the machines he would work on. And when he was talking about it, I was pretty interested, and I did want to go into that field, but I had no insights on how to get into a field like that. Hi, my name is Kenny. The program I'm in is the After Dark program. I'm from Salem High School, but I get to come here a few days of the week and use the shop. I like this type of field and hands-on work, so I want to do that instead of college. I have ADHD, and this is a perfect area for people like me. Everybody comes in from different schools, different backstories, learn the same amount of work as the students here that go here full-time. This opportunity popped up from my counselor, and I'm like, oh wow, my dad talked about that stuff, I want to go into that field. Oh, I'm gonna come here, learn a few things, but it was like really hands-on and just thrown at me like this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and it's pretty cool.